Hello. Hello can change everything because it's always the beginning of something new. Say hello to North Cyprus, and strangers can become your new friends. A new place can become a new home. And your dreams, they can come true. Pursue your studies, learn a new language, build a career, and it might turn out just magnificent. Whatever you want to achieve, North Cyprus can be your starting point. It's time to change from maybe to hello. Study in the land of ideas. Study in North Cyprus.